Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, our lesson is the adventure of Toto. We have completed yesterday our exercise thinking about the text. Now today we are going through the language work. Use the following phrases in your own sentence. Use the following phrase in your own sentence. For example, out of place, out of reach, provide for, taken back, in vain, well to do, make an exit, get hold, scoop up. First we know its meaning. Out of place means not in proper position. Out of place means not in proper position or disarrangement. When we use this phrase out of place, we use in this way here. His criticism was quite out of place. That means his criticism was not in proper position or not good. Out of reach, next one is out of reach. Out of reach means outside the distance that someone is not in position to reach there. That means which is out of reach, go, which is when we use this here, out of reach, keep those medicines out of reach of the children. इन मेडिसिनों को बच्चे से दूर रखो, out of reach. Next one is provide for. It means to be available or to happen. To be available or to happen. इसको हम इस तरह इस्तेमाल करेंगे. They worked hard to provide for their large family. Provide for, good, to be available or to be happen. इसके बाद है taken back. Taken back means here to surprise, हैरान होना. Taken back, taken aback, go surprise. It means here when we use this word, I was somewhat taken back by his rudeness. That means I surprised by his rudeness. I was somewhat taken aback by his rudeness. Next one is in vain. In vain means जो नाकाम होना, without success or result. तो इसको हम इस तरह इस्तेमाल करेंगे. I tried in vain to sleep. I tried in vain to sleep. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, सोने की मगर सो न सका. इसके बाद है make an exit. Now, well to do. Well to do means wealthy or rich. Wealthy or rich. When we use this wealthy or rich, well to do, Mr. The owner of the Geo company is well to do. When we use this, or we use this, Mr. Rashid is well to do person of our village. Make an exit. Here make an exit, to leave quickly, निकलना, बाहर निकलना. Make to exit means to avoid meeting her. He made a quick exit. हाँ, इसके बाद है get hold. Get hold को grasp physically या काबू पाना या पकड़ के रखना. Get hold. Here I have been trying to get hold of her for days, but she is never at home. हाँ, इसके बाद है scoop. Scoop up, ऊपर उठाना, to lift something, scoop up. Here when we use the child were scooping up fistful of sand. Or you need not scoop up the issue again.